framework that we're going to use here is that in general repair, there are certain customers and certain jobs, and you should feel comfortable saying no. To learn more about customer jobs and the customer and the type of job that you want to say yes to, and in a way do something that is called nail your niche. So even if you're in general repair, you will still have a certain type of customer that will pay your price and not question you over it. And that's the type of niche that you can find out about, that you can learn more about.